Introducing the Okuma MULTUS U5000, the advanced multitasking machine that epitomizes power, speed, and process flexibility in CNC machining. With its wide 240-degree B-axis swing, the U5000 offers highly accurate 5-axis machining, enabling you to approach your work from all angles. The precision and range of this machine make complicated tasks straightforward. Equipped with an automatic tool changer and an optional sub spindle and lower turret, the MULTUS U5000 minimizes cycle times and maximizes productivity. Featuring a full contouring C-axis on both the left and right spindles, the U5000 is designed for throughput and process balance. The additional capability of the optional lower turret transforms the machine into a powerhouse of productivity. This machine's versatility is unmatched. From creating intricate contours and performing deep drilling to executing precise gear cutting and basic turning and milling tasks, the U5000 does it all in just one setup. User-friendly and accessible, the Operator-Friendly ATC allows for easy front access to tools. The OSP Suite, preloaded with essential apps, makes operation intuitive, blending familiar programming methods from both lathe and machining center disciplines. The Okuma MULTUS U5000 is not just a machine. It's a solution designed for efficiency, precision, and versatility. It's the answer for those who seek to elevate their machining capabilities to the next level.